There was a time when people used to go to shop to buy the music cassettes and they used to listen to the songs on their favorite tape recorders again and again. Collection of the cassettes used to be their most cherished treasure. Now with internet and online music, nobody cares about that collection. There was a time when people used to go to a video parlor to rent a DVD. The entire society used to gather to watch a movie together on a weekend. They used to laugh together, used to eat together, they used to talk a lot. But now with torrent, with movie theaters and the recent OTT platforms, nobody cares about those DVDs and those moments. There was a time when books were costly and inaccessible. We used to go to libraries and take long strolls passing through the dusty bookshelves, passing through those almiras to locate our interesting books. It used to be a fun activity. Now most of the books, they are available online on various platforms. You order them, you read them. People even get them for free and they read online. Nobody cares for those authors and those libraries. There was a time when leisurely watercolor paintings of summery old city buildings, it used to evoke the feelings of solitude. Now with ChatGPT producing Ghibli-style mass-produced art, nobody cares about the artists like Miyazaki. Then I remember there was also a time before when access to the good quality UPSC teaching in Delhi, it was very costly. But now with Telegram and other cheaper packages affecting the learnings, nobody cares about the teachers. So with technology advancement, this world is becoming digital. Many of the old traditions and personal experiences, they are fading away. So I have a question. Are we losing more than we are gaining in this age of convenience? You can tell me about this in the comment section. Thank you.